No idea.
So what do we think of this first green one? Okay.
It's very nice yellow. It's a lot of green. It's got a lot of green together. It's got a nice deer on it in case you run into deer.
I think that's excellent stopping power in case you're going towards the mountain.
You've tested this, haven't you? Yes.
Demonstrates.
Okay.
The red one has more power and has the acceleration of a fridge.
Acceleration of a fridge. Okay, what is your view on this, Dave?
I'm flying, right? Oh, nice.
They're paying to stand up.
Yeah. Well, you're earning your money this afternoon.
That's the drink holder.
Oh, the drink holder, yes.
So John Deere has the left-handed drink holder, the right-handed drink holder.
I think this is pretty controversial. Okay, and what about the other tractor, this green one? What do we like about that? We don't like anything about it? What do you think about it, Dave?
He likes this one. We all like the way to go.
But it does have the controversial left side cup holder.
Yes.
Yes. You have to have the extra. Oh. Oh.
Drive with one hand.
Okay, so we do like something about it. You can hold your beer in the other hand. Okay.
Soda.
Soda. Okay, soda. Okay, soda. Beer for you, sweetheart. Yes.